How to make a QR code for manufacturing. What types of QR codes should you be using? Manufacturers face a big challenge. Once your product leaves the factory, you lose visibility. That's where QR codes come in. They connect physical products to digital experiences, cut costs on manuals and printing. They create direct connections between you and your customers. We're trusted by over 1,000 manufacturers in 65 countries, so we have the data, and I'll show you exactly how it works. From food and drink brands to machinery and industrial suppliers, QR codes are already transforming how products are packaged, tracked, and supported. Here's the problem. Manufacturers spend millions on packaging, logistics, distribution, but once your product leaves the factory, what happens? Most brands lose visibility. You don't know if your customers come back, if they engage, or if they even know how to use the product. On the industrial side, machines ship with thick paper manuals. They get lost, they get outdated, and your support team wastes time answering the same questions over and over. That's the old way, and it's expensive. QR codes solve all of that. They bridge the gap between offline products and online data. They give your customers easy access to manuals, tutorials, warranty registration, and support. For you, they create trackable touchpoints that save money, reduce waste, and simplify your operations. Let's talk about the key spots where to use QR codes in manufacturing. Start with instruction manuals. Simplify assembly and add QR codes that link to your video tutorials instead of outdated paper. Next up, product tags. Link to authenticity checks, warranty registration, or more product details for your end customer. Then you have floor signs. Use QR codes for safety instructions, inventory tracking, or linking compliance data. And finally, equipment labels. Perfect for tracking machinery maintenance, logs, or linking to technical support. These small codes transform packaging and signage into digital solutions. Here's what the numbers show from PageLoot's data. Of all QR codes created by manufacturers and product brands, over 60% are link QR codes, 15% V-card, 10% are PDF, and less than 10% are text. Each plays a specific role, and here's how they work. Link QR codes are the standard. Link QR codes dominate 64% of usage. Why? Because they're universal. Every phone can scan them, and every scan takes the user to safety guides, compliance pages, product details instantly. You can link to any page you like, as long as you have a link or URL. For food and drink brands, this means recipes, allergens, nutritional data. For industrial brands, warranty registration, maintenance schedules, spare part reorders. It's the most flexible option, and it's fully trackable. Next up, we have V-card QR codes. They provide instant connections. Around 15% of manufacturer QR codes are V-cards. They're perfect for B2B brands and maintenance teams. One scan saves your contact directly for support or quick fixes into a smartphone. Great for trade shows, client meetings, or field service engineers. No lost contact, just instant access to the right person. Number 3, we have PDF QR codes, digital manuals made simple. Around 10% of manufacturing QR codes are PDF. They replace paper manuals, compliance sheets, and installation guides. You can upload a file directly into the QR code. Instead of worrying about any links or file hosting, we take care of all that for you. Your QR code stays the same, but you can update the file anytime. No more reprints or outdated documentation. This is one of the easiest ways to save time and printing costs. Lastly, we have text QR codes. They're reliable anywhere. Around 10% of QR codes are text. They're great for factories or industrial environments where internet access might be limited. You can include safety checklists, maintenance steps, or calibration settings viewable offline directly from the code. Let me share some real use cases. A wine manufacturer prints QR codes on wine bottles, linking to the farm's origin story and loyalty rewards. Customers scan, builds trust, and repeat purchases grow. An industrial manufacturer uses QR codes on equipment, scanning pulls up a PDF manual and a tutorial video. Support tickets drop by 30%, clients save time, and the manufacturers cuts costs. That's the real-world power of QR codes. QR codes improve digital documentation, inventory management, lead generation, and even attendance tracking for factory staff. They make it easy to share manuals, monitor stock, and manage compliance, all from one platform. In short, they make your factory smarter without changing your systems. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Some manufacturers still get this wrong. They use free static QR codes that cannot be updated or tracked. They send users to generic websites that aren't mobile optimized. They treat QR codes like a decoration instead of a data tool. Don't make that mistake. QR codes are a long-term asset, not just a sticker. So, why do manufacturers who use QR codes win? Let's recap. Food and drink brands use QR codes to tell stories and build loyalty. Machinery and industrial suppliers use them to reduce costs, support users, and modernize documentation. Across all the categories, they connect physical products to real-time analytics. That means less waste, better insights, and stronger customer relationships. PageLoot makes it all easy. Designed for manufacturers from the ground up, you can create bulk QR codes in minutes for packaging and labels. White label domain for a clean, professional, branded experience. Track scans with UTM links and share public statistics with your partners or distributors. Integrate Google Analytics and Metapixel for deeper data. Manage your team with multi-user access. And most importantly, you can update your QR code at any time without reprinting. You manufacture food, drinks, machinery, or products, and you're not using QR codes yet, you're falling behind. PageLoot helps you create, track, and manage dynamic QR codes in under 30 seconds. You can start free today, links in the description. Turn your packaging and equipment into a smart digital channel. Cut costs and boost efficiency. Gain full visibility after the sale. If you want to learn more about QR codes, check out the other videos on this channel.